Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to salt fish. To do this, we will need sugar, salt, and of course fish. But if you have fish weighing 1 kilogram, then you need 50 grams of salt, 50 grams of sugar. To do this, of course, it is desirable to use scales so it will be more convenient. In my case, a piece of fish weighs 400 grams, you need 20 grams salt and 20 grams of sugar. Mix salt and sugar in one container, and then we distribute it over the entire surface of the fish and rub from all sides with your hands, after which when the fish is all grated, cover it with another plate, for example, and we put a load on top. Well, it can be a saucepan with a little water. After that, we give it to stand at room temperature for about 2 hours, 1.5 to 2 hours. Then we put it in the refrigerator. This recipe is prepared within 2 days, twice a day in the morning and in the evening. Fish is necessary. We'll flip, that is, from one side to the other, and press the load again. It will give juice and will be approximately level, well, just a little below the level of the fish. After 2 days have passed, drain the brine, and we pull out the fish. It is ready to eat. Enjoy your meal. Don't forget to subscribe and like for now.